but I honestly didn't do the car washing the correct way. Today we are going to try from the chemical guys, Mr. Pink. Mr. Pink, it's good for basic grime and dirt regular use. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it in a foam cannon, foam up the truck, wash it, and we'll see how good it works. Maybe it doesn't work. Let's go do that and we'll come back, talk about it. Mr. Pink was an all-star. Check that out. Not only did it work, but I honestly didn't do the car washing the correct way. I was, I'm trying to shoot a video at the same time that I'm washing the car, so I kind of did the whole car at once and then came back, and it's kind of sunny, southern Florida. Things are drying out, so even with all of those complications, the car looks great, and it also has like this nice repellent nature to it, which I'm gonna really appreciate just to keep the basic dust and dirt off for more than 2 minutes. I think that's a great feature. Anyway, if you're looking for a great foam, this absolutely worked perfectly. And not only did it work perfectly, I was testing, reviewing a foamer that actually just worked off the garden hose, so it worked even without the pressure of the pressure washer. Yeah, it worked fine with that. So either way, it should be fine. We will see you next time.